Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G15 Power and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage our Google passwords, we need to open our Google Chrome application and need choose three dots on the right corner and there choose settings option, where we have Google Password Manager. And now we have password which our device remember. In this case to our WhatsApp account, we can click there, but we need to have look screen to manage it. I can add it fast, show you how to manage it, and after I add it, I enter it and I get connected to that, and in it we can tap on edit and edit something in username and passwords. You have some icon there to copy these passwords, and our eyes icon show us password which our device remember. But remember, when you change something in our edit, tap save. We can also delete it from our device by tap on delete and confirm it by delete again. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.